cannot tell me this isn't my natural hair. Weave wear. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have seen this brand new style trending on the internet and I have been dying to try it out, okay? Now we already ahead of the game because step one of this hairstyle is to plait up your natural hair. And as you can see, our hair is already braided up, okay? Go ahead and check out that video above. I'll go ahead and link it for you because I show you exactly how I get my parts and all that good stuff. Now y'all see our natural hair is nicely moisturized and defined, okay? But she's missing a little volume. She's missing a little body-yaddy. So we have to step this up. So this is actually Afro textured human hair. Go ahead and get into that texture. I've actually used this hair before on my channel to do a set of mini twists. So go ahead and check that out. The length is 22 inches and I'll have the exact hair linked in my description box along with a coupon code that you can use. Only other things we'll need is a crochet hook. Now I watched the tutorials and I think this should be pretty easy. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. Now I'm gonna take just tiny pieces. Let's do, now you can make these pieces as thick or thin as you want to, but because my braids are on the smaller side, I'm gonna go for thinner pieces, starting with my braid right here. Crochet needle through my braid. Just like that. Hook my hair on. Close my hook right on up and then pull that through. Once I can get my finger through that hole, I'm going to take the ends of the human hair, pull it through the loop, and then tighten. Just like that. Let me zoom in so you can see that process up close. All right, y'all, so this process is pretty easy. I'm gonna take my crochet hook while it's closed, stick it through my braid, take the human hair piece. I'm going to put that into the hook. I'm going to close this right on up and pull it through my braid. Once I've pulled the hair piece through enough that I can get my fingers in it, I'm going to open up the loop, take the end pieces and pull it through the loop. I'm going to tighten that up. And that is how you attach the hair to your braid. The girlies did a big one with this because why are we even doing goddess braids any other way? This method eats. Boom, boom, boom. Leave that as is right now. We can define it later, but that is how you do the boho pieces. Now, let's get ready to do our whole head. Y'all see that? Get into the curls, honey. Curls for the girls. Same process that I go through with my natural hair, I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, which is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. Okay. Go in and get that hair nice and moisturized, child. Still getting the shedding. Okay, so now the curls are at least moisturized, child. Some good old hair grease, okay? I'm about to coat this hair and make sure these curls stay nice and juicy, okay? This is what had my hair looking the way it was looking. Do y'all see that? Hair is nice and moisturized, as you can tell, night and day from what it was looking like before. But we still do need to cut it. As you can see, there are like straggly pieces at the ends that are definitely not as full. So we definitely want to get rid of that. I also do still want this to look semi-believable. So all these little like super long pieces that just come out of nowhere, we're gonna get rid of that. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two over, two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around one today. This is how much hair I actually cut off those ends. Did we just do the style? I like it. What y'all think? Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. The texture match on this hair is crazy. Like, oh my gosh, this looks like my natural hair. You can't tell me this is weave? Weave? Huh? Hello? My natural hair right here versus the weave right here. Weave? What are you talking about? Baby, I grew this on my scalp. This is all me. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend y'all trying out this style for yourself. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Honestly, I'm about to be treating this like my hair. Prepare to be sick of me. Obviously, my hair is not dry, so I need to do the final reveal when we have dry hair. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm always making videos like this. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.